To report a Trust Wallet issue with creating a wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. This will help you avoid any known issues that may have been resolved in recent updates. Next, try to recreate the issue you are experiencing with creating a wallet. Take note of any error messages or unusual behavior that occurs during the process. This information will be helpful when reporting the issue to the Trust Wallet support team. Now, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Support or Help option and select it. This will take you to a page where you can find resources and contact information for the Trust Wallet support team. To report the issue, you can submit a support request through the app or visit the Trust Wallet website and look for the Contact or Support page. When submitting your report, provide as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages or steps you took leading up to the issue. It is also helpful to include information about your device, such as the operating system and version of the Trust Wallet app you are using. The more information you provide, the better the support team will be able to assist you in resolving the issue. Additionally, you can also try resetting the app or reinstalling it to see if this resolves the issue. Be cautious when doing this, as you will need to ensure you have access to your wallet recovery phrase to restore your wallet. By following these steps and providing detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, you should be able to effectively report a Trust Wallet create wallet issue and get the help you need to resolve it. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and follow best practices to protect your assets.